Now we are learn subphylum Vertebrata. Do you know that Vertebrata means backbone? Some organism having the backbone. So particularly the higher organism having the backbone. At the time of this embryonic development, the backbone it will be developed. Okay. So at the time this at first stage the notochord or backbone is cartilaginous tissues. It is made up of this cartilaginous. After that it formed that backbone. So we called it kinds all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. So vertebrates having this appendages, so such like fins and limbs. So skin made up of this hairs, feathers, claws, nails, scales, everything it carries, or etc. So respiration in this that aerobic respiration it will be followed. So and this is some fishes, gills expression is followed. So lungs expression it will be followed in the vertebrates. So vertebrates have ventral muscular heart with 2, 3 or 4 chambers here. So there's next one is another excretion. So excretion osmoregulation by the kidney. So subphylum is again divided into this vertebrata is divided into this Agnatha and Gnatostomata. So Agnatha means gibless. Is that? Agnatha means gibless. Agnatha means gibless fish-like aquatic vertebrates. Agnatha means gill-like aquatic vertebrates. Okay, without bayard appendages are here. So not a heart present in the adult. So next one is Gnatostomata means just the opposite. It's gill vertebrates. Agnatha means gibless aquatic vertebrates. Gnathos means Gnathostomata meaning gilled vertebrates with paired appendages are here. Paired appendages are here. Okay, so Gnathids having for this including this jewed fishes and tadpoles. 2 is here. Okay? Tetrapoda. Amphia, reptilia, aves and mammals are here. So this is the super classes of fishes. So in the aquatic forms, do you know that aquatic forms swimming and gills by respiration. So used by gills. Fishes includes the cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes are here. So bony fishes we discovered this. We will discuss later. Okay. So cyclostomata. Next one. First we discussed about this vertebrata. Vertebrate means all the animals having this backbone. Okay. In the time of the embryonic development, it will be formed, but it not matured. Okay, but it not matured. So that's why we called as kinds all vertebrates are chordates, but all vertebrates are not vertebrates. So some of the vertebrates having for the appendages are here, like we will use fins, skin, feathers, scars, claws, nails, etc. So respiration by aerobic respiration it will be followed. Okay. So in this aquatic medium, buccopharyngeal cavity and lungs will be used. So next one, the heart is present. Heart may be these 2 or 3 or 4 chambers. Heart is present and excretion by the kidneys. Yeah. So subphylum vertebrata, Agnatha and Gnatostomata. And Agnatha. Agnatha is a gibless fish-like aquatic vertebrates having paired appendages are here. So and is Gnatostomata means so it having for this the Jew vertebrates. Okay, Jew vertebrates are here. Okay, Jewed vertebrates are paired appendages are here. Notochord is replaced. Okay, notochord is partly replaced by this vertebral column. So and again the includes one important class is cyclostomata. Cyclostomata later we will discuss. So Nacnus is includes for this geodophysis and tetrapodia. Geodophysis and tetrapodia means that is geodophysis means pisces. Pisces is a super class. Pisces is a super class. And by why it is a super class? It is aquatic forms with paired appendages are here like fins, swimming by gills, respiration by gills, everything in here. Okay. So next we discussed about this cyclostomata. So what is the important one is Acantha. Acantha means jewellous fishes. Acantha means jewellous fishes. Cyclostomata. Cyclostomata means cyclos means circle, stomata means mouth. So all members of primitive foliochromatic jewellous aquatic vertebrates are here. Ectoparasites of fishes. Like pairing the 6 to 15 pair of gills are present without jaws and sectorial. Without jaws. Okay, mouth is circular without jaws. Cot is two chambered. Okay, circulation is closed. Blood circulation is closed. No paired appendages are there. So cranium and vertebral column and cartilages it is made up of this. So most of the cyclostomes are marine but migrate to fresh water for spawning. Spawning அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னா முட்டை போடுறதுக்காக போகும். So Antromanus means Antromanus fish live in the sea but migrating to freshwater to breed. So suppose adult fish usually remain in the sea for 2 or 3 winters but sometimes only one. Then adults they return to freshwater and spawn after changes occur in color and external features are here. That is the anatropous migration. Okay, anatropous migration. So cyclostomes are marine but migrate to freshwater for spawning. So next one is aminocytate larva. It formed aminocytate. So metamorphosis are returned to this ozone. So examples is here hagfish. Okay, hagfish, lamprey and hagfish. So Cyclostomata is one important class of Acantha. Acantha meaning jewellous fish. It consists of this. What are the characters are here? Foliothermic. Foliothermic means some animals whose internal temperature varies considerably. Foliothermics have to survive and adapt to environmental stress. So mouth is circular but without jewellers. Okay, jaws. Heart is two chambered. Closed circulatory system it will be followed. Cranial and vertebral column cartilages is here. So one important character is anadromous migration. So after the spawning, okay, so cyclostomes marine but migrate towards the freshwater for spawning. Okay, so after the spawning within that some few days they will die. Spawning within few days the larva after metamorphosis return to this ozone. Yes, this is the example. So next one it is Chondrotheseus. Chondros means cartilaginous, ichthyos means fish. So Chondrotheseus. So it is also this marine fish with cartilaginous endoskeleton. So notochord is persistent throughout their life. Placoid scales are here. So most of the fins made of this placoid cells, caudal fins are here. Okay, mouth is located ventrally and backwardly directed. So that juice very powerful. Excretory organ is mesonephric kidneys is present two-chambered heart. It is also the two-chambered heart. Okay, called uricotelic. So store the urea. Okay, it store the urea. It maintain the homeostasis and also the osmotic concentration of the body folded. Polyothermic and viviparous. Sex are separate. Pelvic means collapses to add the internal fertilization. The example is Coelian and shark and Chairon shrink free Pristus sawfish. Pristus sawfish. You see that? So shark. So is a class that Sandraceus is a class that contains a cartilaginous fishes that are skeletons primarily composed of cartilagens. They can be contrasted with osteothesis and bony fishes. ரெண்டுக்கு என்ன செஞ்சிருக்கோம் கான்ட்ராஸ்டாக இருக்கும் பட் skeleton merely primarily composed of bony tissues. Primarily composed of bony tissues and notochord is present. Placoid scales are present. So in this is the placoid scales. So this one it is the placoid scales is present. So and also this mouth is located ventrally. Mouth is located ventrally and the teeth are modified this placoid scales. எப்படி இருக்கு ஷார்க்குக்கு teeth placoid like structures. So next lamiform gills are present without operculum. So mesonephric kidneys are present here. Two-chambered heart. Understand? Polyothermic and viviparous. Sex will be separate. So next one it is osteothesis. Osteothesis. So class osteothesis. So osteothesis it will be this marine and freshwater fishes are here, but bony endoskeleton structures are here. So excretory organ is mesonephric one. Organs are present. Kidneys. Amino tail. It releases the ammonia. Lateral lines. Sex organs are present. It is also the sex or separate. External fertilization takes place. Oviparous. So next one it is that carnoid, scacloid and sphenoid scales are present. Respiration is by 4 phlegmatous gills covered by this operculum. When compared to this as Sandraceus, operculum is absent. But so in the osteothesis, Chondrothesis absent. Osteothesis it will be present both sides. So next it is a gills are present here. Air bladder is present with or without connection of the cut. It helps as exchange and buoyancy of that in the water. So next one is a mesonephric. Already I told that. So first the exocardius, flying fish, hippocampus, seahorse, lipho, cuttlefish பார்த்துருப்பீங்களா, igneous, suckerfish, tetraphyllum, angelfish. You see that? Extramural osteothesis. Seahorse, flying fish. Osteothesis is popularly referred to as bony fishes. Is diverse taxonomic group of fish that raw skeleton primarily composed of this bone tissues. They can be contrast with the Chondrothesis, which have skeletons primarily composed of cartilagens. So they are mostly called as cartilagens endoskeleton. Cartilagens, bony fishes with the cartilagens. Osteothesis is mostly composed with the referred to as bony fishes. Bony fishes na idu solvaanga. Enna solvaanga? Bony fishes.